All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and I've had so much fun, I get to do it again. All right, in case you can't tell, and if you didn't watch last week's What's Going On Around the Shop, well, I'm doing an engine, twice. Gotta love used engines from LKQ. Got it all in, got it all running, and well, it's a 3.6 Chrysler product. I posted about it on Instagram. Yeah, valve train, noisy as all get out, sounds like a diesel. If I can get it off my phone, I'll put a video here. Unfortunately, I get to do it again. Now this is going to be a little mini rant, by the way. The guys up front always go, oh, well, you get paid to do it again. Yeah, you know, I'm getting paid another 20 hours, something like that, to put this engine in. It still sucks. I don't care who you are. You don't want to go back and do the same job over again. It just sucks. Yes, I'm getting paid, you know, 50 some hours on this van to R&R an engine twice. It's still, I hate it. It bugs me. I don't like doing it. I'd rather be one and done. Unfortunately, everybody kept asking me in that video, why don't we go with, you know, it's an insurance job. This is being paid for not by the customer, but by an insurance company. Insurance companies not going to pay for a reman. They'll only do used. So she's getting a used engine. Backstory on it, it sucked water, by the way, and broke a piston. We do have, in case you can't tell, a powertrain table, which makes it really easy. Even though on this job, I don't actually do it up top, I have it all the way down as far as it'll go, and just unbolt the engine mounts and then lift the car off of it, but I could go all the way up. This isn't its lowest setting, by the way. OTC makes it. Boss paid for it. They didn't send it to me. But it just sucks. I mean, let's just be honest. It sucks having to do the same job over again. Let me know in the comments if you like doing the exact same job over again because of, well, bad parts. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.